That clock is off, folks. We got another 20 minutes. Don't panic. Again, just a reminder that as you're running, you're going to want to get to the right of the street. I'm going to get to the on the sidewalk. Bridge Street is not closed to traffic, so the further right you want, probably the better on the line. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still looking for you. We're over here by the speaker. You can sign your stand, so come on over. We got a number for you to put on.
Good morning, all. Thank you so much for joining Eas Bay on the second annual Eas Bay Turkey Trot. We have over 1,000 people out here this morning. So thank you so much. That's a ton of money going to the Hunger Coalition. 100% of what you paid us is going straight back out to them. So thank you. I mean, last year we donated over 10,000, so we've more than doubled our numbers. So just take a guess at what great thing to do is donating your race t-shirt. We have 95.5 who has graciously let us advertise on their station. And there's just a ton of great people. The Washoe Police Department gives them a hand for being out here to help make you guys have a safe run. So we appreciate all the support of them coming out to help us on the stage. Genova has chips and cheese. The Chatterbox, 2 free beers after the event. You will need a bracelet. If you have not gotten one from us yet, don't worry, we will have plenty more inside when you come back. So, awards, we have age group awards, which will happen at 9:30 today. So if you're able to hang out afterwards, please do so. Otherwise, have a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you once again for coming out. Don't get hit by cars that you're, playing it smart on the road. If you have kids, make sure they're with you. There's going to be a ton of traffic, but there are some busy streets, and they will be well armed. We have signs that are around the course, as well as people there to help you. There is a water station at about 1.5. It's not exactly there, but it's in between miles 1 and 2 in case you need water. But there's people stationed at all the major points in the course. So if you have any questions or need help, let them know and they'll get in touch with us. So have a safe run and please try to use your best judgment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait for me.
At least balance.
Hello. Hi.好了，呀，我看到浪车，我瞧我开了惨的闹啊！我知道当年给我对待，我倒是对我都暴露路当了闹，我就累，大家开了就惨的。哦。